Hey guys, so in this tutorial I will show you how to link a Google form to specific Google spreadsheet. So let's just start with creating a test Google form. Just click New, More and Google Form. And this way I will create some test form. Let's just give it a name. Oh, sorry, oops. And then after that, after we created some form and some questions, you need to go to responses and click here and select response destination. So you basically have two options. You can create a new spreadsheet or you can select existing spreadsheet. So let's just select existing spreadsheet. So we have right now this spreadsheet called test spreadsheet. So let's just select it. And as you see, a spreadsheet was linked. Now let's test if there would be some responses recorded in this spreadsheet. So this is how it works. And here I have a new tab which has like a form question here and all the responses. So let's just test it. So this is live form. Let's just reload it and submit an answer. And as you can see here, it was recorded in this spreadsheet, in this sheet called form responses 1. So this is how it works. Sorry, of course there are 7 days in a week, but yeah. This is how it works. This is how you link your existing Google Sheet to a Google form. Of course, you can also create a new Google spreadsheet. Thanks for watching.